everybody, Debra here with SixpackFactory.com. Today I'm going to bring you one of the workouts I did that actually helped me accomplish my six-pack during my 6-week six-pack challenge. We're going to do a cardio and ab routine today, so I'm going to show you your exercises and then we're going to get into the format. Your exercise with your cardio only consumes of 2 exercises, and it's either a star jack or a jack. So if the star jack is going to compromise your form, you will forget about it and move on to a regular jack. No big deal. So I'm just going to show you the exercises and then we'll talk about the format after. So that's it. You start with your star jacks or your jack, depending on what you want. If you want the extra butt, and if you don't lean on your toes, you can stay with the star jack. You're gonna go for 30 seconds of work, 30 seconds rest, followed by 40 seconds of work, 30 seconds rest, 50-second work, 30-second rest, then 1 minute, 30-second rest, and you're gonna repeat the whole thing 5 times. Then you're gonna move on to your abs section, which you had 3 segments, 2 exercises in each segment. The first exercise is 30 seconds. The second one would be 20 reps. Then you get a 30-second rest, and you're gonna do each segment 3 times before you move on to the next one. All right, enjoy. I hope you have a great workout.